Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. Today we're going to be working on our headlights of my 2015 Honda Pilot. They're a little bit foggy, we got to get them clear. I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. Okay, you guys, what we have here is you can see that this is the headlight lens cover for my 2015 Honda Pilot, and you can see how foggy it's starting to get, starting to yellow a little bit, and there's a little bit of fogginess to it. If I bring it over here, you can kind of see how nasty this outside edge is starting to get. So what we're going to do is we're going to polish this up, and we're going to do it just using a normal household product. Okay, you guys, this is the products that we're going to use today to clean our headlight to get this all nice and clean again. We're going to just use some toothpaste, and the toothpaste doesn't matter what brand it is. You just want to make sure it has the baking soda and the peroxide in it. That gives it a little bit of grit, just to kind of get the yellow off and polish things up. And then I'm just going to use a little hand brush. I will leave a link in the description down below for all these products, and then of course we'll finish with just a little bit of wax to polish things up. So let's get started. Okay, so just to get started, I'm just going to take some of this toothpaste. Like I said, it's got the baking soda and the peroxide, and I'm just going to put quite a bit just right across the top like this. And then I'm just going to take this brush, and I'm just going to start brushing it all in. So this is where it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease, but we're just going to start working it in. Now, it is a little bit thick, so if you want to make it go a little bit faster, a little bit easier, you can add a little bit of water. So I'll add just a little bit of water here in a second. But the idea is we're just going to work this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and just really work all of that yellow off of there. Okay, so I am just going to add I'm just going to use a little bit of spray bottle just with just water. I'm going to just give it a little bit of water so we can just really make it go a lot further. You can see it starts to spread much better now. A little bit of water, and we'll just kind of work this back and forth all the way across this whole entire headlight, and we'll just keep working it. The nice thing about this is it's nice, minty, fresh smell. Okay, once we get to that point, now I'm just going to use a spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray this all down. And then I'm just going to use a microfiber towel to wipe it all off. And then we'll take a look at it. So where you saw a little of that yellow before, you can see that's all actually gone now. So that was just a little bit of elbow grease. Now I'll do a second application, but this is what it looks like now, as opposed to, I don't know if you can kind of see how much different it looks there, but it really did improve it quite a bit by just doing the toothpaste. So you can kind of see it got a lot of that film right off of it. So not too shabby. So as I just kind of polish it up a little bit more, check that out. That's actually even better. So just make sure you get all the stuff off of it, and it'll actually look a little bit better. Need to do just a little bit more right here to clean that up just a little bit more. So there's already still some toothpaste on here. We'll just add a little bit more. Let's do a second coat. So we'll go ahead and just add a bunch more toothpaste, and we'll just do the whole thing again. I'm going to really concentrate in that area that didn't quite come out that good. So we'll just do it again right there. I'm going to add a little bit more water, just so it lubricates it a little bit more. So we'll just go ahead and really work that in again right there in the area that has a little bit left over. Okay, we'll go ahead and just spray it with water again. Then we'll come back through with the microfiber towel. and wipe it off, and look how much more clear it is just after a second time doing it. That's pretty remarkable just with toothpaste. That is pretty awesome, you guys. Whoa, that is actually, that's crazy. I hope you can see that on just on the film there, just how much different that is just after doing a second coating. So that's just toothpaste, you guys. I'm not doing anything else, but you can kind of see the foggy, a little bit of the fog up there. That's before, and this is after. So now, just for the heck of it, I'll just put some of that cleaning wax on there just to polish it all up, and then we'll see if that does anything and finish it up. I'm just using a basic cleaner wax just to do some polishing, so I'll just kind of get a little of that on there too. And I'm just going to drizzle that on there just like that, and then I'm just going to come back with another clean towel, and I'm just going to rub it gently into all of the headlight, and I'll just kind of work this in and let it dry. This will give it a little bit of a protection too, and so it'll hopefully last a little bit longer, because there's other products that you can use too, but we're just gonna do this, see how it turns out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, there's kind of the other side that has not been done. And then this is this side here with just a little bit of elbow grease, toothpaste, and a little bit of wax. It looks pretty much brand new. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Pretty simple, just a little bit of toothpaste, a little bit of elbow grease, and we've got them looking brand new again. Now, if you have headlights that are really yellow, I will leave a link in the description down below for a product that I really like. I've used it before. It is Meguiar's, just kind of like the polish that we used today, but it's a whole headlight cleaning kit, and it's all, you don't need any special tools, so I'll leave that link down below also. If it's really bad, you can use that, but other than that, if it's just something simple like this, you guys, you probably already have some toothpaste at home. Give it a shot. I'm really impressed with how it is. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. It really helps the channel out a bunch. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next project.